Good morning, students. So, as we have discussed this chapter, permutation and combination in last class, part of the thing we have covered. So, now again we will do the remaining concepts. Thereafter, we will solve few questions. Okay. So, if you remember, last class we studied about the arrangement of digits. Now let us discuss about this arrangement of digits, and now let us discuss arrangement of, let's say, letters of the words. Letters of the words. So letters of the words means some type of example, like into the letter. Suppose there is a word. Let me take example, then you will get it clearly. Suppose what a word achi education. Education. Okay. So question will be, how many words can be formed by using all the letters of the word education. This kind of questions. So you know that means the word that you will form, there would a meaning hey pare, or maybe there is no meaning, dictionary meaning there may not be. But only thing is how many words you can make. And you know that means how many letters are there here in education? If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 letters are there. So 9 letters, they shuffle among themselves and they will form different kind of words. So it is a kind of linear arrangement. 9 letters, they will have a linear shuffle. So how many words you can make? The answer will be 9 factorial. As we discussed in the last class, that if there are n different entities, they will shuffle, they will have linear arrangement in an n factorial way. Since there are 9 letters, so this can be done in 9 factorial words can be formed. Okay. Let us do another question. Okay, let me change the pen color. Okay. There is another word, let's say entertainment. Now the question is same, how many words you can form using the letters of the word entertainment. So if you count, how many entities are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 entities are there in total. But what is its difference? Then the previous word, education and entertainment count difference. If you see, education, there was no letter repetition. No letter repetition. But here in entertainment, there are so many things, letters are getting repeated. Okay, let us first find out what are the things repeated. E is repeated how many times? If you say E, 1, 2, 3, so E is repeated 3 times. Next, what is there? N is repeated how many times? So this will be 1, 2, and 3. So N is also repeated 3 times. Next, anything else is the T. T is repeated how many times? T is also 1, 2, 3. 2 is also 3 times. What else? R is not repeated. A is not repeated. So R is not repeated. R, A, and I is also not repeated. M is also not repeated. Okay, so there are total how many letters are there? 1, 2, 13 we are saying. So this is 3, 3, 3, 9 and this is 4. Okay, we have covered everything. So if there is no repetition, how many words you can make? Same rule, n entities, they can shuffle among themselves in 13 factorial ways. But what happens, you have to divide the things which are repeated. Like E is repeated 3 times, so for that I will divide with 3 factorial. Another n is repeated 3 times, for that I will divide with another 3 factorial. T is repeated 3 times, so again I will divide with 3 factorial. So this is the way you can do the questions where repetition is there. So total answer is 13 factorial by 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 3 factorial. So what we have done, जो letter जितना time repeat होती है की factorial हमें just divide करचे. So that is the minor change if there is repetition is there. Okay, let's do another question. Same word I am coming to, education. Now question is, how many words can be made using the letters of the word education such that all vowels come together. टिके माइनर चेंज होची एते भी केतना वर्ड दरकार बट ऑल द vowels they will come together. Question पता. So let us find out what are the vowels in education. This is vowel 1 2 3 a e i o u. Okay, there are 1 2 3 4 5. So vowels are 5 and rest are consonants. Consonants केते अछि 1 2 3 4. Okay, now what you will do if all the vowels have to come together, हमें कौन करिबा ए जो vowels अछि आपको bind करिबा, virtually bind कर दोचे हैला. So wherever they will go as a single entity. Okay, vowels गोटे थर they will move like that. So how many entities are there for linear arrangement? Total vowel लेके गोटे entity होला और total consonant 4 अछंती. 4 plus 1 5. So there will be 5 factorial arrangement. Okay, so this is done. But what else? The vowels, they cannot move beyond this boundary. Boundary बाहर को जाई परिबेनी, but they can shuffle among themselves within the boundary. So boundary भितर समान को भितर shuffle हबो, सेटा को किछ restriction नहीं as per the question. So within the boundary shuffle, and how many times, how many ways they can do? There are 5 vowels, so they can do another 5 factorial ways. So right answer is this, 5 factorial multiplied with 5 factorial. Hope you are getting this. Okay, all the vowels come together means you just bind all the vowels and they will, then you can shuffle. Next is how many, suppose this question I change the only this part. Here it is all the vowels come together. If I make it all the consonants come together, then answer कौन हबो? You know that how many vowels are there? 5 vowels are there. How many consonants are there? 4 consonants are there. तो अबे हमें कौन करिबा? हमें consonants को bind करिबा. Consonants bind कले कौन हबो? This one. So this will be considered as one entity. 5 plus 1, that is 6. 6 entities केते वे shuffle करे 6 factorial ways रे. And within this boundary, चारिटा consonant they can shuffle among themselves in 6 factorial multiplied with 4 factorial. So this is the way. So this is the difference. It is 5 factorial into 5 factorial when the vowels are come together, and this is 6 factorial multiplied with 4 factorial when the consonants are come together. Okay, so this is another concept. Next we will see, this is arrangement what we have seen. Now combination. So far it is a permutation. Permutation means is a arrangement. Combination means it's a selection. Okay, let's say there are 10 persons are there. In how many ways we can select a team of 2 persons? So that can be done. 10 मत 2 जन choose करिया पाए, 2 persons I have to choose. So that can be done in 10C2 ways. So that is said just the selection. 10C2 answer कौन हमें जानी चाहिए? NCR कौन थिला? NCR is n factorial divided by r factorial multiplied with n minus r factorial. Okay. If you simplify this, this will be 10C2 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial multiplied with 10 minus 2, that is 8 factorial. So this will give you 10 into 9 by 1 into 2. So this is 45 ways we can select a team of 2 persons in our committee. Okay. Same question if I give, if there are 10 persons, in how many ways we can select a team of 2 persons. One is president and another is secretary. है ना? So previous question कौन था? Just selecting 2 persons from a team from a 10 persons. Second question कौन? We have to select we have to choose a president and a secretary from these 10 persons. So it कौन होची? In first one is simply the selection, okay, choosing the something. But second one कौन? तो these 2 persons we will choose. Then you have to decide who will be the president and who will be the secretary. Okay, so let us do step by step. Suppose 10 persons are there, you can choose 2 persons in how many ways? 10C2 ways. Now 2 persons are chosen. After that, who will be president, who will be secretary? So there will be again arrangement. So that can be done in 2 factorial ways. So answer will be 10C2 into 2 factorial. Okay. So whatever the answer you will get, this thing 10C2 amara astila 45, 45 into 2, that is 90 ways. Okay. So this 10C2 into 2 factorial, this is nothing but amara permutation. This is actually 10P2. Because so permutation कौन होची? You are selecting and at the same time you are arranging also. Combination is only the selection. This is the minute difference between the permutation and combination. Okay. Next, any other concept? So there are some geometric applications for this combination also. सेटा भी देखिला मैं. Geometric application कौन था? Normally, let's say there are 10 non-collinear points on a plane. How many lines can be drawn using those points? Okay. So let's say 10 non-collinear. Non-collinear means what? No 3 points are in collinear means a single line, like this. If this is a point, this is another point, this is another point. These 3 points are collinear, means gote line rachhan. It is 10 non-collinear points, means any 3 are not collinear. They are randomly there in a plane. Randomly achandi. Suppose this one, no 3 points are collinear. Like this, something like this. Okay, like this there are 10 points are there. Okay, now how many lines can be drawn? Acha, line kon hobo whenever you join 2 points they can form a line. Hana, you choose any 2 points out of these 10 non-collinear points, then you would be able to draw a line. So it is as good as they are asking in how many different ways we can choose 2 points from the available 10 points. So that can be done in how many ways? That can be done in 10C2 ways. So जदि 10C2 way रे आमे choose कर पूरा data point, then we can draw those many lines only. So lines will be also 10C2 lines. Okay, so this is the geometric application. Suppose in the question sometimes they ask how many triangles you can draw. Here they have given lines. If it is, they say it is triangles. How many triangles you can draw? So for a triangle, how many points you need? If you see logically, if you given any 3 points, you can draw a triangle. So it is as good as they are asking how many ways we can choose 3 points from the 10 available points. So that can be done in 10C3 ways. So this many triangles. So number of triangle is 10C3. Okay, so this is some sort of geometric application. Okay, next let us see diagonals. We'll see. Number of diagonals of a n-sided polygon. How many diagonals are there for a n-sided polygon? Acha. Suppose these are the polygon, something I have drawn randomly. Okay, let's say these are the points, the vertices of the polygon. Okay, I have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5-sided polygon. Okay, acha. So if it is as good as there are 5 different points are there in a plane. So how many lines you can draw? If 5 points are there, that can be done in 5C2 ways. But out of that, polygon or diagonal, polygon diagonal is this one. These are polygons diagonals. These are polygon diagonals. So जेतेटा लाइन होची सेथिरु मु जदी आ बाकी एटा कोन साइड्स. These are sides. These are sides. So if I take n-sided polygon, lines will be nc2. n-sided polygon रे केतरा साइड थिबो? n sides थिबो. So जदी मु साइड को सबट्रैक्ट कर देबी, बाकी जो लाइन बंचिबो that will be only the diagonals only. So number of diagonals is nc2 minus n. Okay, so formula if you put n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 minus n, or you can say n square minus n by 2 minus n. So it is n square minus 3n by 2. This is n into n minus 3 by 2. So you can remember this as a formula. Number of diagonals from a n-sided polygon will be n into n minus 3 by 2. But you know how we got this number of diagonals. Jadi our procedure jana achi, if there is slight variation in question also you can deal. Diagonal bar kare pe kon kala hame? First number of lines bar kale, that is nc2. Lines through lines jo bar chi, lines have, some lines are sides and some lines are diagonals. So if I subtract number of sides from the total number of lines, then the remaining things are diagonals. Okay. Now let's move to solving questions. Most of the theory part we have covered. Jodi au kichi achi question, then we will discuss then and there itself. I think these are things we have already covered. Last class we finished here, up to here. This one. This question read, in how many ways can the letters of the word Mississippi be arranged? Okay, this kind of example we have done. Mississippi रे केतरा letter अच्छे देखो, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I think double S. Anyway, 10 letters are there in the given figure. So number of arrangement will be 10 factor. Actually, Mississippi spelling is like this. So I think this is typing mistake. MISSI SSIPPI. So there should be 2S. Anyway, I think options कोटा को नहीं गए देखिए पड़ेगा. Let us first assume that 10 letters are there. So it will be 10 factorial divided by what are the things repeated? I repeated how many times? I repeated 4 times. S repeated 3 times. And P repeated 2 times. How which I, S, P, no, nothing else. So you can just divide with 4 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial. So you have to calculate. Let us see. This will be 4 factorial into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial is 6, 2 factorial 2. So if now cancel out 6, 6, 2, 4. So you are getting 20 multiplied with 7 into 9 multiplied with 10. So this thing you will get 63 into 2 into 100. Okay, so 12600. So I think this spelling is correct. It will be 10 factorial. Okay, 12600. Hope you are getting this. Okay, next. In how many ways can a 3-digit number be written using all the digits from 1 to 9 if the repetition of digit is allowed? Okay, this is very easy. We have already done in the digits, arrangement of digits. Tinita place achi, and now digits we are going to use is 1 to 9. So this can be filled by any of the 9 digits. This can be also filled by any of the 9 digits because repetition of the digit is allowed, they are saying. So this is also 9. So 9 into 9 into 9, that is 9 cube. So right answer is option D. Next. In how many ways 5 people can sit around a circular table without any restriction? One should not have the same neighbors in any 2 arrangement. Okay. So first part, circular arrangement we have not yet discussed. Linear arrangement kaun thila? N factorial thila. Suppose n entities are there. Linear arrangement is n factorial ways. Hana? This is linear. Same thing, agar circular sitting above, they will give the circular chairs, n entities. That can be done in n minus 1 factorial. Only this is the difference. Circular n minus 1 factorial haba, linear haba n factorial. Okay. So circular arrangement first in how many ways 5 people can sit around a circular table without any restriction. That can be done in 5 minus 1 factorial. So that will be 24 ways. Second question is one should not have the same neighbor in any 2 arrangement. Okay. One should not have the same neighbor. So that part will be if this is a symmetric situation. One should not have the same neighbor in any 2 arrangement means you have to just divide with this with 2. 24 by 2, that will be 12 ways. Okay. Next. Question, this one, in how many ways can a committee of 4 be formed out of 8 people? This is a clear case of selection. So that can be done in how many ways? 8C4 ways. What is the value of 8C4? 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So 2, 4, 8, 3, 6. So it will be 70 ways. So right answer for this question is 70. Okay. Next question. There are 6 questions in a question paper. In how many ways can a student solve one or more questions? Okay. So he can solve one or more questions. So either he can solve one question or 2 question or 3 question or 4 or 5 or 6. So it can be done in how many ways? Suppose one question he has to solve, in how many ways he can choose? This can be done in 6C1. 6टा question गोटे question choose करिवो, or 2 questions 6C2 or 6C3 or 6C4 or 6C5 or 6C6. All the question he is choosing. What is the value of this? For this kind of pattern, there is a formula you should know. Most of the time it is useful. Like NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 up to NCN, the value is 2 to the power n. But it hammer NC0 nahi, so you can say NC1 plus NC2 plus NC3 up to NCN equals to 2 to the power n minus NC0. But NC0 value क्या है? 1. So 2 to the n minus 1. This formula you can remember. So for this calculation, what should be your answer? 2 to the power n minus 1. 2 to the power 6 minus 1. 2 to the 6 क्या है? 64 minus 1 is 63. 63 different ways you can choose different questions. One or he can attend one or more questions. Okay. Next question. There are 4 copies of 5 different books. 4 copies of 5 different books. Okay. In how many ways they can be arranged on a shelf? That means total each book re 4 copy hochi. Okay. So total how many copies are there? Total copies will be just a minute. So total copies would be 5 into 4 is 20. So 20 copies that can be arranged in 20 factorial ways. But there are 5, so suppose 5 different books are, let's say, we can say book 1, book 2, book 3 and book 4 and book 5. So book 1 ro hi 4 copy अछि, book 1 ro 4 copy अछि, book 2 ro भी similarly 4 copy. Okay, so total the entity 20 hela, we can say 20 factorial, but repetition अछि. Book 1 repeated 4 times, so it can be done in 4 factorial ways. This can be done in 4 factorial, this can be done in 4, book 2, book 3, like that. So answer will be 20 factorial divided by 4 factorial to the power 5. Right answer is this one. Are you getting? 20 ta pura copy thila total. If you see, if I fill it out, B3, B4, each type of book ro 4 copies. Total है गला हमारा 20. It is same question like Mississippi only, nothing else. 20 टा मोर book थिला सेते हम 20 factorial arrangement कर देली. तापरे जोड़ा जोड़ा repetition है, that part only I have divided. We have done this kind of question earlier. ठीक है. Next question. In how many ways can a committee of 2 boys and 3 girls can be made out of 5 boys and 6 girls. Okay, this is also a clear case of selection. So how many boys are there? Boy 5, girl 6. So you have to select 2 boys and you have to select 3 girls. So that can be done in how many ways? 5C 2 ways. This is 6C 3 ways. Now you can just calculate 5C2 of answer. 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 plus 6C3 is 6 into 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 3. So now cancel. Answer is 200. Next question, in how many ways can 5 rings be worn on the 4 fingers of the right hand? Okay, so if you see the options 5C4, this cannot be the answer. You are not choosing 4 fingers out of 5, 4 rings out of 5 rings, so that is not the answer. Also 5P4 is also not the answer. So it is a kind of question ताको counting way हमको solve करना पड़ेगा. Let's say if I assume one ring can be fit into how many fingers? गोटे ring को हमें 5टा finger कोट भी fit कर परिबा. 5 rings, actually 4 fingers they are given. So these are the ring 1, ring 2, ring 3, ring 4, ring 5. Finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4. If you see this ring 1 can be put in any 4 fingers, so 4 different ways that can be done. What about ring 2? Ring 2 also same, 4 different ways, any finger can be fit, 4. Similarly ring 3, ring 4, ring 5. So answer is 4 to the power 5. So answer is 4 to the power. Of course there is also 5 to the power 4 that will confuse you. So एठी कौन भाबियो सब which part is moving कोटा होची ring टा तमे move करछो hand टा move करनो, so you are moving ring, so that thing you have to take into consideration. That is why it is 4 to the power 5. Next question, how many 3-letter words can be constructed using any of the 26 letter of the English alphabet if one of only the middle letter in each word is a vowel? अच्छा, तो 3-letter word बने पड़ियो, but middle should be the vowel only. माने तुम्हारा first and second, first will be a consonant, second will be a vowel, third one will be the consonant again. So how many words you can form in that fashion? So let us divide. How many vowels are there in English alphabet? There are vowels are 5. How many consonants are there? There are consonants are 21. Okay. Now this is the word. This can be done for vowel. This is consonant 1. This is consonant 2. First you consider about this part. 5टा vowel achandi. So that can be done in how many ways you can choose one vowel for the second place. That can be done in 5C1. Okay. So this is the selection of vowel we have done. Okay. Now come to the consonant part. For consonant C1. C1 total कितना अच्छे 21 consonants are there. So that can be done in 21 C1. Next come to C2. C2 पे कौन 21 तो गोटे तो C1 पे selection है वाला. So C2 कौन होगा? Otherwise you can do this way. Because this is simultaneous arrangement, so you can do 21 to मतलब 2टा दरकार consonant. So 20 C2. Once you have chosen 20 C2, then which one will be C1 and which one will be C2? So again another arrangement 2 factorial you can do. So that should be your answer. 5C1 into 20 C2 into 2 factorial. Let us see, calculate करिए. 5C1 is 5. 20 C2 is 20 into 19 divided by 1 into 2, and this is 2. So 2 gets cancelled. So 19, I think 1900. Achha, 21 or 20? It's 21 C2, not 20 C2. Sorry. Yeah, I have done a mistake. 20, it's 21 C2. So it is 21 into 20. Yes, now it is correct. So now you are getting 2100 is the answer. Option 2100. Yes. So this is option A. So you understood how we have done this question. First, you have to see what is given in that question. There is a three-letter word. Three-letter word. First, middle one will be the vowel, and the two extremes would be the consonant. So first vowel by selection that can be done in 5C1. Vowel selection kala par aau to kisi arrangement darkar nahi, karon middle part will middle letter will be the vowel, aau kota first and third will be the consonant. Consonant पे कौन करा वाला? फर्स्ट हमें कौन कर 20 रु दीटा चूज कर ले 20C2 तापर कोटा कंसोनेंट हबो कोटा कंसोनेंट 1 हबो एटा कोटा कंसोनेंट 2 हबो दैट कैन बी डन इन 2 फैक्टोरियल माने एटा सिमिलर टू हमर जो गोटे थिला क्वेश्चन वी हैव डिस्कस 10 people root 1 president and 1 secretary, that kind of question. 20C2 in 10 2 factorial. After that, if you calculate, you are getting answer is 2100. Okay, next question. How many numbers greater than 1000 can be made using following digits without repetition? 1 0 3 4 5. अच्छा, greater than 1000 तो कितना digit है? 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, 5 digit number can also be possible. We have to see carefully. Since 5 digit numbers are there, 1000 ऊपर कौन है? 1000 2 till 999. These are 4 digit number. तापर जो आसिबो 10,000 onwards 5 digit number है ना. So these are two parts. So either it can be formed a 4 digit number or it can be formed a 5 digit number. So this is case 1, this is case 2. तो हमको कौन करिया पड़ियो? दीटा केस रो अरेंजमेंट करिबा, then either this either or, so it has to be added. Case 1 or case 2. Case 1 रे कितना नंबर फॉर्म कर पे? लेट अस सी 1000 to 999. अच्छा, 4 digit number 1 2 3 4 digit number. So which are the digits can take place? This one 0 तो आसीबनी. So 0 छाड़ी की कितना आसनी? 1 3 4 and 5. So this can be filled in 4 ways. Okay, now out of one place is filled, so out of 5 one digit is there. For next place how कितना है? 4 ways. Next place 3 ways. Next place 2 ways. 4 into 4 into 3 into 2. So it is 16 into 6. That is 96 ways. This is number of 4 digit number you can make. 5 digit number कौन होगा? Let us see. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. 5 digit number भी कौन होगा? तुम्हारा 0 तो आसीबनी. Anything else can come. 0 आसीबनी, but 1 भी आसपरिबो. So again this can be done in 4 ways. Now this place is gone. For this place आउ गोटे digit तो एडी first place को आसी जाइछि. 5 ru 1 गले 4. So this can be done in 4. This can be 3. This can be 2. So this is almost same thing only. So this will be also 4 into 4 16 into 3 48 into 2 is 96 है ना. So total answer कौन होगा? Number of 4 digit number is 96. Number of 5 digit number is 96. So answer would be twice of 96. That is 192. Answer is 192. है ना. So you have to see. This is very good question. First कौन थिला हमरो? 5टा digit देछि 1 0 3 4 5. आउ गोटे हमको तो how many numbers greater than 1000 कहउछि? So we have taken seen that either we can make 4 digit number or we can make 5 digit number. But another thing we have to take care, 0 cannot come to the first place because 0 asile seta 3 digit number है. So that part we have considered and found the answer. So both the cases, since there are two different cases, we have to add both the number of ways. So case 1 re asila 96, case 2 re asila 96. We have added and the final answer is 192. Okay, so this part we have covered all many of the questions of permutation combination. Now probability we will do some part. Acha, the statistics hame last class re kari deythile, so I will go directly to the probability parts. This is done. Statistics रे भी ये part करा है नहीं, but let us finish एटा भी है नहीं थला. The arithmetic mean of first n natural number is 8. अच्छा, so arithmetic mean कौन होगा? Arithmetic mean is sum by number of samples. So this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n divided by n. तो एटा कौन होची? यार summation कौन? Sum of n consecutive number, n into n plus 1 by 2 divided by n. So it becomes n cancel agale. This becomes n plus 1 by 2, but that is given 8. So n kete hobo? 15. So n is 15 is your answer. Next. Okay, this is another, the arithmetic mean of the cubes of the first n natural numbers. So एठी भी तमे से भलिया करिवो, sum of n consecutive cubes. Sum of n consecutive cubes equals to 1q plus 2q up to nq. That is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, or you can say n square into n plus 1 square by 4. But मते mean बाहर करिबो. Arithmetic mean माने, arithmetic mean is sum by n. So it is n square into n plus 1 square by 4 divided by n. So n gets cancelled. So को option match करछि, n into n plus 1 square by 4 होगा. n into n plus 1 square by 4. So you have to remember the sum of n consecutive numbers, sum of n consecutive squares, and sum of n consecutive cubes. That is very, very useful. Next, the arithmetic mean of the multiple of 7 between numbers 100 and 200. So multiple of 7. First number जोड़ा multiple of 7 कौन होगा? Which is greater than 100. That is 105. If you see, I think 105 is the first number. What is 105? 7 multiplied with 15. This is the first number. Next number कौन होगा? 7 into 16 up to 200 to less है तो 200 less, 200 को 7 divide करो. You see the quotient. 7 2 जा 14, 6. Okay, so 7 into 28. Okay, so these are the numbers. 7 into 15 से start करेंगे. First number 105 होचे, it has जो तमरो 728, but not required to find out. We will see. Okay, now arithmetic mean कौन होगा? Sum first बाहर करो. Sum divided by n. But how many numbers are there? 15 रू start करेंगे 28 होचे. So numbers will be 28 minus 15 plus 1. So that is 14. Always this plus 1 don't forget. कहीं कि counting रे सब plus 1 करिबो. Extreme minus the initial number plus 1. So the counting भूल होबनी. So 14. So sum will be 7 multiplied with 15 plus 7 multiplied with 16 up to 7 multiplied with 28 divided by n is 14. So you can take common. 7 common nale. 15 plus 16 up to 28 divided by 14. Now you see 7 by 14 multiplied with is a 15 plus 16 plus 28 अच्छी. This is the arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression रो sum बाहर कर. Sum पे तमरा आउटे formula अच्छी. Arithmetic progression we have discussed. N by 2 multiplied with the first term plus the last term. एटा भी कले तो अरिथमेटिक सम बाहर जो है ना. दिस इज द सम ऑफ अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. तो ये कौन हम एन एन कौन अच्छी 14 अच्छी कहीं 14 टा नंबर हमें देखते तो 14/2 multiplied sum of first number and last number, that is 15 plus 28. This is your answer. 14 gets cancelled, so it is 7 into 15 plus 28 कितना होगा 43/2. So this will be in decimal. 7 into 43/2 जहाँ भी आएगा that is your answer. So this is also a good question. So कौन थिला arithmetic mean of the multiples of 7 between the number 100 and 200. First number हमें बाहर कर ले, that is more than 100, that is 105. 105 पहला 7 into 15 and next number that is just before 200, that is 7 multiplied with 28. Okay. Now sum divided by sum जो तो बाहर करते just you can see this is a arithmetic progression 15 plus 16 plus 28. So arithmetic progression का formula पकी you can find the sum. Then you can find the mean. Okay, in calculating the arithmetic mean of the set of 15 observations as 25, 4 observations were misread and 1, 3, 8 and 13 respectively. Acha, this kind of question I correctly already, but still let us do. In calculating the arithmetic mean of a set of 15 observations. Okay. तो देखो ये सब देखो टोटल ला कौन हो टोटल कौन हो 15 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 25 हमरो 15 तमर थिला ऑब्जर्वेशन 25 थिला अरिथमेटिक बट दैट दिस टोटल इज नॉट करेक्ट कोन हितला तुमको ऑब्जर्वेशन नेबर थिला 4 12 19 एंड 35 बट तुमे नहीं गेलो 1 3 8 एंड 13 तो कौन करबो फर्स्ट यू सबट्रैक्ट द रॉन्ग ऑब्जर्वेशंस 1 plus 3 plus 8 plus 13 and add the correct observations. Correct observations will be 4 plus 12 plus 19 35. So this will be the actual total. Now or correct total. So correct mean will be correct total divided by total numbers, number of samples. So এটা যাহা আসিব দেখিবা 15 এটা কেতে আছে 1 plus 3 plus 8 11 1 25 this is and this is 12 plus 16 16 plus 19 would be 30 70. Okay, so 15 into 25 minus 25 plus 70 divided by 15. So this is 15 into 25 plus 70 minus 25 कितना आएगा 45 by 15. So this will be 25 plus 45 by 15 is 3. Answer is 28. This is the new or correct mean. Okay. This question we have already done. Okay. Multiplied with 3, then it will be 3 sigma. We know this is, we have also covered. Okay. Frequency, if 3, 2, 9 occur with a frequency of 2, 5 and 3 respective, then what is their arithmetic? That means nothing, just 3 times asila, 3 2 times asila, 3 asila 2 times. So total kaun hobo? Sum kete hobo? 3 into 2 plus 2 asila how many times? 5 times. So 2 into 5 plus 9 asila how many times? 9 into 3. 9 into 3 divided by number of samples. This is the sum. Sum divided by number of samples. So number of samples kaun hobo? So frequency add kar debo kete time ase 2 5 and 3 5 2 7 7 plus 3 will be 10. So this is 6 plus 10 plus 27 divided by 10. So 43 by 10. So the arithmetic mean will be 4.3. So this is a different way they have given, nothing else. Otherwise it is the same question itself. 4.3. The median of the series, this median can work. The median time you have to first arrange in the ascending order, or descending also it is okay, but normally we are doing ascending order. Let's say सबुठु small कोटा अछि 2/3 we can take 2/3 तापरे अछि no 2 सबुठु small half अछि half 2/3 then it will be 1 then it will be अच्छा whatever may be 12/5 हो 13/6 हो 13/6 12/5 but median will be the center number, so answer is 1. Okay, geometric mean of this is what? Geometric mean कौन हमें पढ़ी थी n numbers से geometric mean कौन थिला? Geometric mean is square root of a1 into a2 up to an nth root of, sorry, जेतरा number अछि. So this will be nth root of 1 into 4 into 4 nth root means it is 101 अछि ना. कितना number is 4? 1 is 4 to the 0, this is 4 to the 1. So 0 to 101 कितने होगा? 0 to 101. How many numbers? 102 numbers. So it will be 102 root 102. 4 to the power 1 into 4 to the 2 up to 4 to the 101. So this will be 102 4 to the power 0 plus 1 plus 2 up to 101. तापर लिखो this is 102 4 to the power एटा कौन n consecutive number 1 to 101 पर्यंत, so you can just write n into n plus 1 by 2 n 101 into 102 by 2. So this will be 4 to the power 101 into 102 by 2 square nth root 102th root means 1 by 102 you can do. So this will be 4 to the power 101 into 102 by 2 multiplied with 102 gets cancelled. So this is 4 by 101 by 2. अच्छा option रे कौन अछि 4 by अच्छा 2 रे अछि. So you can do this one 2 square कर दबो 4 टाकू 4 to the power 101 by 2 is equals to 2 square to the power 101 by 2. So this is 2 into 101 by 2 gets cancelled. So answer is 2 to the power 101. So right answer is 2 to the power 101. Okay, so many statistics questions remained in last class. The arithmetic mean of the first n even natural numbers. N even natural numbers. N even natural numbers means first number is let's say 2 plus 4 plus 6 like that up to 2n. यार arithmetic mean कौन होगा पोइज, right? So this is sum and arithmetic mean is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus up to 2n divided by numbers, total number is n. So that if you take 2 common 1 plus 2 plus up to n divided by n. So this will give you 2 sum of n consecutive number कौन होगी n into n plus 1 by 2 whole divided by n. So gets cancelled. So answer is n plus 1. n plus 1 is there in option D. ठीक है. Harmonic mean of 1, 2, 4, 14 equal to 28 and 28 is. अच्छा harmonic mean of n consecutive कितना number होच 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तो harmonic mean of formula कौन 6 divided by 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 14 plus 1 by 28. So I think 28 is the LCM. So 6, if you take 28 as the LCM, 28 plus 14 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So answer is 6 multiplied by 28 divided by so 7 7 14 128 56 actually. Yes. So harmonic mean is 3. This is the harmonic mean. Okay. The median of first 20 prime numbers, this is nothing. So just you have to write all the prime numbers. Let's say prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 31, 37. So it's like that you have to write 20, whatever the middle number. So I am not writing all the numbers. You can do it by yourself. 20 prime numbers line lekhibo. And if it is an even number, right? Even means let us calculate like this. So our even re kon thila jodi numbers are even, median kon hue? Median is half of n by 2th plus n by 2 plus 1th number. So if n is 20, this is half of 20 by 2 10th number plus 11th number. If you देखो 10th 11th then you will get the answer 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Yes, this is 10th, this is 11. So median will be 29 plus 31 by 2. 60 by 2, that is 30. So no need to write the prime numbers up to 20. Okay, only this much also you write, then I am jani pariba 10th and 11th mean hochi the median. Okay, so this is all total about the statistics. Next class we will see probability. We could not cover it today. Next class we will solve the probability part. Okay, thank you. Thanks for attending the sessions.
Thanks.